How to post an article on LinkedIn. Log into your LinkedIn account like you normally do. Look for the option that says write an article on your profile page. Click on that. If you have a cool image to go with your article, you can add it. Just click on Upload from Computer and choose the picture you want from your computer. You can create your own design. Click on Create a Design to play around with different styles and layouts. Now, it's time to come up with a catchy title for your article. Type it into the box provided. This is what will grab people's attention, so make it interesting. Below the title, there's a big box where you can write your article. Just start typing away. Share your thoughts, ideas, or whatever you want to talk about. Once you're happy with your article, look for the next button in the top right corner. Click on that when you're ready to move on to the next step. At the top of the page, there's a space where you can describe what your article is about. Keep it short and sweet, but make sure it grabs people's interest. Last but not least, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Click on the Publish button, and boom, your article is now live on LinkedIn for everyone to see. So there you have it. Posting an article on LinkedIn is as easy as pie. Remember, sharing your insights and stories can make a real impact. Now, go ahead, unleash your creativity, and start sharing your knowledge with the world. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.